All right, so we're going to start off with some olive oil in the pot, and we're going to yellow up a yellow onion. All right, so we're going to throw in carrot and a cubed up russet potato. And then we're going to cook this for just a couple minutes just to kind of get some color on it. All right, so now we're going to toss in our minced garlic. Got about a teaspoon of coriander, and then half a teaspoon of cumin. And this is going to be really quick, just going to give it a bit of a stir for, just a couple seconds here, just to kind of get everything moving. All right, so we've got some vegetable stock. That's about 6 cups worth. We've got 2 cups of red lentils that have been previously rinsed. And then I'm going to come over here and give it a hand with a good shot of some kosher salt. We're going to bring this to a simmer, and then we're going to simmer this until the lentils are kind of soft and tender and falling apart. All right, everything's all cooked down, so we're going to throw in some lemon zest and about a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to give that a quick little stir. Now we're going to ladle half of this out into a separate bowl. We're going to blend that and then put it back in. All right, and then we're going to put the blended stuff back in with kind of the thicker stuff. We're going to give this a stir, and now we are ready for service. All right, so we're all ready to go. The soup looks pretty fantastic, actually. Yeah, it's really, really nice. I'm a big fan of lentils to begin with, so yeah, this is super easy. The ingredients are like super good for you. This comes from the Thug Kitchen cookbook there, so the whole point of these guys here is just eating well and nutritious kind of ingredients and stuff like that. But this is a really big hit. It's an awesome soup, and it came together really quickly. So, if you like what you saw here today, think about ordering Thug Kitchen. There'll be a link for it in the playlist description.